In this video I will show you how to fix your laptop or PC loses a connection to Wi-Fi network. For this, go to search and type device manager and select it from the list. Next, expand network adapters node. Next, select your Wi-Fi network, right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Select Automatically for Drivers option. If available, it will download driver for you. In my case, best drivers to the device has been already installed. Now let's move to second step. That is troubleshooting network issue. For this, go to search and type settings and select it from the list. Next, click on Network and Internet. Under Advanced Network Settings, click on Network Troubleshooter. Select Wi-Fi from the list, click on Next button. It will search for the problem and if available, then it will try to fix it. In my case, it is not helping to solve the problem, so let's move and try next steps. Now let's reset network configuration and clear cache data using command line. Running these commands can help resolve a variety of network issues. For this, go to search and type CMD and select command prompt and run it as administrator. If you get the pop-up, click on yes. Now go and type these series of commands as shown in the screen. This first command will help you resolve issues related to network connectivity and applications not being able to connect to the internet. This second IP reset command will fix issues related to IP configuration and network connectivity. This third IP config release command will reset IP assigned to your computer by DHCP. This fourth command, IP config renew, will request a new IP address from the DHCP server. This fifth command, IP config flush DNS, will clears the DNS cache on your computer. This command can resolve issues where outdated or corrupted DNS information is causing problems with domain name resolution. Next, you can go to search and type services and select it from the list. Here, search for WWAN auto config and WLAN auto config services and double-click on it and select startup type to automatic as shown here. After performing these steps, I strongly recommend you to restart your PC, and after restarting, your problem related to Wi-Fi will be resolved. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.